Greetings, this is Mr. Solomon with another edition of Teacher Gaming Desk. This is episode 6, where we'll be playing the game called Slice Fractions. I have gone to desk.teachergaming.com. I have just signed in. This is what you see when you first sign in. If I want to find Slice Fractions, I can see that I have it favorited, or I could search for it. So if I wanted to search specifically, I wanted a Mac in a browser, I can then adjust the age range here. Since I teach in elementary school, students are no older than 12. And then I can start looking for lessons that fit those. Or if I want to go to my favorited lessons, I can then just skip right to it. When you have a favorite, you just click on the little star, turn it gold, and it saves to your favorites. So you can see all the games that I have saved to my favorites. And as I scroll down to Slice Fractions, you can see that some of these lessons I've already done because you see a green check mark. So these are lessons I've done with students throughout the year. If I wanted to do a lesson, you don't have to do these in order. I can just choose the topic. So adding, subtracting fractions. If I wanted to go to pie charts, I would preview the lesson. Then I would start the lesson. And you can see the prerequisites is that we've done some of these other games already, which we have. And so it follows a sequence if you wanted to follow that, or you can go straight to a concept. Every lesson starts with a group discussion, providing some background knowledge. What is a pie chart? How to read them? How do you read fractions? And then once you do the discussion, you can then click on play and start playing the game. So you can see I'm the only one highlighted in green since I'm only the only person currently signed in. If I want to see how to play, I can see how to get there. Students have already played this game. So as I scroll down, you can then see what their progress is. So these check marks will start to turn green once they've completed different sections of Slice Fractions. So then I go to the Teacher Gaming Desk on my desktop. I sign in as a student, and then you'll see once I sign in that Slice Fractions is a lesson in progress because I started it in the browser. So if I click on Slice Fractions and then launch, it goes straight to that lesson, which was about reading pie charts and graphs. This is a browser-based game, so there's nothing to install on a desktop. It just uses whatever default internet browser you have in your setting. And then now you'll see that the lesson starts right where we picked up. I'm going to turn off the sound so I'm not distracted. I can always go home. So you can see how I'm signed in. And then I try to accomplish the task. This task for each level is to get the woolly mammoth to go from the left side of the screen to the right, and there's obstacles in his way. So if I'm looking for 1/4, I can then make a slice with my mouse, slice off 1/4, and then the mammoth can get to the next section. And so students continue playing these kinds of games until they advance to the next level. So if I wanted to slice this in equal parts, let's try to go down. And then if we go across, this is why the game is called Slice Fractions, because you get to slice in different shapes. Then popping the balloons makes the lava melt the ice blocks, and that gets rid of the obstacles, so then the mammoth can reach the next section. You can continue playing this. If you want to go in full screen mode, you can also click down here and play it on a large screen. So pretty easy. I'm not going to go through too many of the lessons. Each section, whether it's subtraction, addition, or reading a pie chart, has different tasks for students to complete. If I look at Teacher Gaming Desk now, you can see that I have now 1 check mark because I completed level 1. Once students have concluded playing the game, we can then go to share and discuss. Do a little debriefing. I've made Google Doc or Google Forms to get the feedback from students so I can keep their answers in a spreadsheet, an easy way to get documentation and assessment of student learning. And then once you can go, you can do some tasks to check for understanding. There's a printable template as well. So you have lots of great resources through the desk.teachergaming.com. website. And then when I complete the lesson is completed, and then I can see a summary of the points that I earned. So lots of great analytics. I can check how students are doing. I can break down their skills and see exactly what students are learning and how long they've been playing the game. Next, we'll play the one related to this one, which is a new game on TeacherGaming Desk. And that one, if I look, is called Division. Thanks for watching.